guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna have timestamps in the description box, so if you want to skip over the unboxing as well as how I wash and clean this unit and prep it before I put it on, there'll be timestamps that you can go ahead and skip ahead, and towards the end will be my commentary on how I feel about this unit. Thanks for coming back. Be sure to subscribe and comment. See you in a bit. All right, you guys, let's get into this unboxing, shall we? So as you can see, my package came in a drawstring bag, and I thought that was cute. I might use that later, store other wigs. The box itself was torn. I guess that happened in shipment. And my wig was secure in a plastic bag, 20-inch wig. And as you can see, I have some headbands. Wasn't really feeling the texture of these headbands, to be honest with you. And they had a little bit of an odor, so I didn't feel like I wanted to try them on. I'll throw them in a wash and decide on whether or not I want to keep it. Okay, but they really had a good stretch to it. The next, you'll see that you have 2 duck clips in there. You have a edge brush. And this stocking cap is a little too fair, so I'm gonna toss it. So here we have the 100% Brazilian loose wave human hair wig with 150% density. So you'll see that it has a elastic net. It has a silk black headband. You're gonna see 4 combs. And the material of the silk on the headband is supposed to be breathable material. And then you have the Velcro straps at the end. The texture of the loose waves was extremely soft, so that's one of the things I noticed. But I can't help but notice the strong scent coming off of the wig, so I'm definitely going to have to do a thorough cleaning to make sure that I don't smell that strong factory smell. I'm going to fast forward through most of the washing, and I'll make sure that I list the products as well as have that information in the description box. But I just want to be able to show you how I cleanse my wigs. Now, this particular wig did have some shedding, which is normal for a Brazilian loose wig. I didn't expect anything less. The amount of shedding was a bit much. It had me curious on whether or not I would experience that shedding once the wig dried. I love using this silicone mix. It's like a really deep penetrating conditioner, and it is so strong, but with a really, I feel, pretty fragrance, that if you're worried about any scents in your wigs, this is one conditioner that will definitely remove it. Now, this is just something I like to do. I like to leave this conditioner on the hair for at least 10 minutes and then rinse it out cold. And then I'll go ahead and brush, kind of detangle any of the remaining tangles that might be still left in the wig. There might not be. Hang it on my mannequin head damp and let it dry overnight. Hey you guys, so I want to talk about this hair. This is a headband wig, obviously, and I went ahead and just plopped it on. I'm not really crazy about the Velcro. I just feel like it's a little bit scratching up in the back of my nape, but other than that, I love the texture of this hair. Let me see if I can stand up. This is about 12 inches on me. Let's see if you can see that. I'm a little shorty, so I'm not really that I'm not really that tall. I'm about 5'2". So other than that, you can see the headband. I went ahead and just used one of the combs in the front. I didn't put any in the back. I'm not sure if it was me, but I might have ordered the wrong cap construction because it feels a little tight. Other than that, guys, I really love this wig. So you could do everything with it. Honestly, you can put it up. You can put it in a bun. See if you can see that. Might have to put my camera up a little bit. Let me see if I can adjust. There we go. So yeah, like I said, you can put it up in a ponytail. You can put it up into, a high bun. I think that's like super duper cute. And what I've been doing lately is just kind of messing with it. And I've been just kind of clipping it up like this. I've been kind of giving it a little bit of a hump. That's just me, and I've just been wearing it like this. Because I tend to not always like hair like around my face or anything like that. So yeah, I think it's really cute. It has a nice wavy texture to it. The only thing I put in it was the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. Hi, baby. I put the Garnier Fructis leave-in when my hair was damp, and I just kind of let it air dry. I think it's super duper cute. This was the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Love this. Smells so good. Put that in as a conditioner. Then Got to Be glue. So I put some Got to Be glue on my edges. And the trick is take the elastic band that you would use to, secure your wigs if you need to, and just tie it along the edge like that and just leave it on for like 5 minutes, and it really slicks down the edges. Really nice. So my favorite thing is that I got these from a store called Francesca's at my local mall, and I love these. I know there's a lot of headbands going around. Definitely pick you up some headbands, especially if just wearing the black all the time can get a little boring. So I got these headbands. Look at the black one, guys. Isn't it cute? It has like the little rhinestones on it. Yeah, I think I bought like I think it was like 3 for $10 or something like that. I think it was a sale. This is the beige. I like this one. Super cute. And it has like the same similar rhinestones. And then this one is like a fringe with some polka dots on it. I like this one too. Oh, it's raining hard out there. I did order like, I ordered, and I'll put the link in the description box. I ordered off of Amazon a pack of the headbands. It's in a cotton, it's a cotton fabric. And it has like the little ribbon tie in the front, and it comes in just the basic colors like black, blue, navy, gray. So those are just the ones that I want to kind of throw in when I just want to run out the door. They're just like your basic colors. Other than that, guys, I mean, I like it. It's a cute little wig. I mean, especially if you're one that doesn't want to fuss with, you know, manipulating your hairline, dealing with lace, tinting, all of that. I mean, sometimes I get tired of it, and that's the reason why sometimes I'll just throw on my synthetics where you don't have to do that with the hairline. But, you know, with a headband wig, I mean, it's just so convenient. And I live in a really hot climate, so I don't want to be messing with, you know, baby hairs all the time because, you know, you sweat, you get hot. But let me know what you guys think. Let me take it down. Let me know what you guys think about this this wig. I'll put all the details in the description box. Let me know, are you into headband wigs? They're like all the rave now. I'm seeing all the videos on YouTube, and oh, don't touch that, baby. And I know Hearts and Cakes, she was the one who got me to order this one, as well as one other wig that should be coming into the mail. So I love these. These are just super convenient. I don't know how long the trend is gonna last, but I'm definitely feeling it. And it's got me into wearing headbands. Like, I haven't worn headbands like that since high school, middle school. I mean, I wasn't one for the headbands like that, but yeah, it's cute. I like it. And I'll just slide in a little bit to kind of show you the texture. And this is like in its dry state. Like, it's not gonna get any curlier than this. This is a loose wave, but I like it. And there's no parting line or anything like that. So you can do the flip over method. I tend to like to do that when I want a little half up to the side. I think it's tiresome. Like I said, I'll just throw it in a ponytail, call it a day. This is super cute. Yeah, so leave in the comments, let me know what you guys think. This is a little quick something because I want to get these videos out as soon as possible before my schedule starts ramping up. You know, we're getting closer and closer to holiday season. The girls getting busy. So yeah, let me know what you think about this headband wig. Would you order it? You know, what is your take on it? And if you're feeling this particular one. All right. So, also, definitely check out my microblading series that I'm starting to put just on my journey. This would be day 3. So I'm zooming in a little bit. I'm still healing. It's getting really tight and itchy, so it's not gonna be as dark anymore. It's gonna start to like lighten up. I know I'm looking over here, I'm seeing the, but you know, just let me know what you think. Leave it down below, and I will catch you guys on our next one. Bye.